Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the exact clips you'll use and trimming to Instagram-friendly durations. This reduces quality loss and speeds uploads. Once done, import high-quality MP4 or HEVC files into your phone or desktop editor so you can cut precisely. Make sure to confirm you have permission to use the footage. That avoids takedowns and audio muting. From here, you'll open Reels or your editing app, create a new project, and place the first trimmed clip on the timeline to begin sequencing. You now refine the middle of the reel by syncing cuts to music or speech so pacing feels natural. Cutting on beats makes motion feel intentional. While editing, layer a licensed track or your voiceover and lower clip audio with ducking so dialogue remains audible. Make small color corrections, adjust exposure and contrast, rather than heavy filters to keep original cinematic feel. Once you have smooth transitions and balanced sound, export a 1080p file at 23:970. You finish by uploading the exported file into Instagram Reels, choosing a 9:16 crop, and selecting a compelling cover frame to increase clicks. Add concise captions, credits for the movie clip, and relevant hashtags, or at credits so viewers and rights holders are clear. Make sure visibility settings and any music usage comply with platform rules to avoid blocks. If your reel is muted or removed, replace the audio with a licensed track. Trim contested footage or obtain explicit permission. Then reupload and monitor for reinstatement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.